Hi guys, I want to talk about a hair loss solution that is 100% proven that works, and it has been a solution for many women for many years. What's the secret? It is hair toppers. What are hair toppers? Hair toppers are actually hair extensions for top of the head. They generally come in different sizes, and they come in pieces. They're designed to cover part of the head or partial. They're designed to cover this area, hairline, patches, and areas that need more coverage or more volume. Hair toppers come in many different forms and shapes. They come in as small as 2x4, 4x4, 8x8, 8x9, and they can be attached to your hair either semi-permanently or temporarily, like a clips or like a comb. That have been a solution that has worked for many years, but most of us have this kind of jaded idea of what they are, and we think they're just old man toupee that sits like a cat on top of your head. But truly, when you discover what they are, what they can do, you will be amazed. So I would love to kind of go into it a little bit more and tell you more about it. The biggest hurdle most women have is not knowing if the wig is suited for them or they should go with the topper. That is what most of our guests dealing with. So the answer is, with the wig, you really don't have to worry about blending your hair. Anybody and everybody is suited for the wig if the hair can fit in or they can find the right fit. But when it comes to a topper, you still have to blend and integrate your own hair. So that's a big factor. So you should consider a topper if, one, you are in an earlier stage of hair loss. If your hair has gotten so thin that nothing can hold on to it, probably you need to go with the wig. Number two, if you still have some hair around the temple and side of the hair. Number three is knowing that your hair can support some sort of a hairpiece. And I know it's hard to determine that, and that's why you go to a professional to find out. Is if you are really just kind of missing patches and you only need to cover certain areas instead of your entire head. With all that being said, leave that to a professional and ask your stylist and your hair loss specialist to help you with selecting a right topper. At this point, I'm going to end this chapter of our amazing solution. I will promise you on the next chapter and the next video, I will have all the solution about how to find it, how to determine if the hair is going to work for you, is it high quality, low quality, how to take care of it, how to store it, and all that good stuff. So tune in, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please go ahead and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.